special.
Right, Aidan, you have something special. What do you have to show us? Wow, that's amazing. What is it?
It's turns.
Whoa. It makes a sound, and what is it? A super big long sword, and what else happens to your sword?
Fight!
Good moves. Wow, good fighting. Hey, you're like a little ninja. Ninja Aidan, go, go, go. Well done. Go Ninja Aidan, show us your moves. Show us your moves. Go, go, go. And then show us your ninja moves. Wow, it lights up. It's super cool. I love it. You are such a good ninja. Where did you learn the ninja practice?
From the sword.
From the sword. I think it gives you magic powers. Hi guys. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it. Aidan, any messages?
Be strong and fight the bad guys.
Hi guys. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe at Aidan's Adventures 2023. Aidan, do you have any messages for your followers?
Be strong and healthy and look at my baby videos.
Be strong and healthy. Okay. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.
Bye.